Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Samantha Izundu if you haven't been here before, and if you have, welcome back. Okay, so today we are doing a very exciting review of a new Australian indie brand, and an indie brand that's like their first product is an eyeshadow palette, and they've like gone like straight to the top of like high quality packaging, aesthetic, everything. Like, I'm very impressed. So when I saw that, I was like, well, I definitely have to buy this palette. The brand is Geologie Cosmetics, and the palette is called Pilbara, and which is a region in Western Australia, I believe, and it's a beautiful, I'll insert a picture here of the inspiration of the Pilbara, Pilbara, not too sure, I've never been there. I'm way on the other side on the East Coast. So I'm not too sure, but in saying that, the eyeshadow palette, colors, arrangement, finishes, beautiful. So I'll also insert a picture of the swatches I took. If you want to check over on Instagram, I actually did a little brand in the spotlight kind of video and photo shoot of the palette with swatches. So if you want to have a look over there as well, you can check that out. I have my Instagram always linked down below in my videos. So today we're going to do one look, and when I was swatching, I was very intrigued by Starry Sky. It's like a topper shade, and it's very soft, and I think it's like very glittery soft. So here it is here. However, when it swatches, it's quite soft and glittery, almost like a glitter topper. So I've brought some glitter glue. Isn't it just, it's so pretty and soft. It almost reminds me of like pixie dust or something like that. So that is something that I want to do on top of whatever look I do. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm very much in the moment kind of gal with my eyeshadow and my makeup. So let's get right into it. I will have all the details linked down below, their Instagram and their website to purchase from. So the price is $52, and then there was shipping as well. Let me tell you how much I paid in shipping. Okay, so the standard shipping is $10 and express is $15, so not too bad. So in total I paid $62, which I am totally fine with because it is a small indie brand, it's new, it's Australian, I'm all for it. Okay, so I have on my face, I'm also reviewing at the same time the Shiseido Synchro Skin Self-Refreshing Skin Tint. So I don't know which one will go up first, but check out if you're interested in that. All right, so I'm definitely going to start with the shade Hammersley. Forgive me if I pronounce anything wrong. And I'm just going to use a fluffy brush for that one. Aha, no. Oh my God, I'm so silly. So what I was going to do is do two different eye primers. I have like a color enhancing one, but it's not so much long wear, and then this one is a long wear. So I've got my Rimmel Magnifies I'll do on my, what is this, my left side, and then I'll do my Kaleidos Tone Activator on my right side. I use the tiniest bit because I don't want creasing on my hooded eyes. So yeah, I don't know what to expect because this is their only product. It's their first product and their only product on their website. So it'll be interesting to see what else they come out with, if they're going to stick to eyeshadows in the beginning or if they're going to venture out. I love the concept. So apparently she is the owner of this. I don't know too much detail, but I'm pretty sure she is actually a geologist with a passion for the cosmetics, which I love. I love that she's merged the two. I think it's a great name, Geologie. She can really play with that. And if she's a geologist, she's just got never-ending themes of rocks and, oh, I feel like I'm just going to dumb down what she does. I was going to say rocks and stones and gems, but I don't actually know. I really like this transition shade. It is good for me, and it's blending nice and easily. And then once I finish my eyes, I'll finish my makeup, come back and give you a nice review so you can see what it all looks like with makeup. I'm not just going to leave it like this. But I didn't want to do a full face. I didn't want to have concealer under my eyes. Oh, they're names of rocks. Geyserite? Geyserite? I don't know. Oh, how embarrassing. Okay, I've got this smaller blender brush. And this is going to be pigmented, I think. Yes, I just did the tiniest bit. What am I doing? I need to zoom you up, guys. What am I doing? Closer. The closest we can get. I love this burgundy shade. I don't want to go too heavy. That blends quite nicely. So this is another video part of my Australian focused videos. I'm really trying to get into that because I think I would enjoy watching that content. And I have some videos lined up. Now with my hooded eyes, I can't do crazy creative looks. I mean, I probably could if I was really artistic, but that's not really my shtick. I like more of the wearable. But if you go on Geologie's website, Instagram, sorry, some of the girls who have used this palette and have been reposted have done some really beautiful artistic looks. So definitely check it out. This is my kind of color palette too. I love these kind of shades, these muted colors. So you can make them wearable or you can make them really intense as well. And that's why I use a blender brush, because I like to have a more wearable. Oh God, I'm gonna butcher this. I'm so embarrassed. Shall copyright. This one here. Are we gonna focus? This one here? No? Sorry? This one here. It's kind of like a mustardy green. It's not totally yellow, but it's not totally green. And we're gonna do that here. I think this would be a really nice matte look. I love this shade. That's going on beautifully. So far I'm impressed with the quality. When I was swatching, and I didn't want to get too opinionated on it because you can't tell with swatches all the time, but some of the shimmer shades were not doing it for me when I swatched it. There is quite a bit of kickback, but that doesn't bother me at all. Okay, this is where I gotta get my glitter glue. I've got my NYX Glitter Primer. I've never actually used this, but I've heard nothing but great reviews. Are we going to zoom? There we go. I'm gonna use 2 shimmer shades. I'm going to use my Rapha number 2. I'm going to use this Spinifex here, which is a really pretty, is it a duochrome? We'll see when I put it on. Yes, it is. Yeah, that's so pretty. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. I'm not going to go all the way in. And then on the other side of this brush, because I've done the glitter glue, I want to quickly do the other part where it's clean. I'm going to go with Starry Sky. And this is just, this is what I really wanted to use. Oh my god, yeah. So I would definitely use a glitter glue because look how that's just turned out. And I'm going to blend it in. Blend it in to the, what is it called? Spinifex. Wow. Okay, intensity. I see you. Wow. Okay. All right, let me go finish my makeup and then we'll come back and I'll do under my eye and discuss. I'm back. I've got a full face of makeup. Okay, so like I said, I'm going to use, it's called Pilbara Marble, just this green one at the top here. And I'm going to lightly dust that under my eyes. This is harder than you think. I don't like to go too heavy underneath. I'm actually pretty happy with that. And then I want to get a little bit of that really sparkly white shade, and I just want to put a bit of that in my inner corner. My fave shade. It's just beautiful. Okay, in terms of the eye primer, I think both of them worked really, really well. I don't see too much of a difference. If I'm honest with you, I feel like maybe this side is the tiniest bit more intense, which is my Rimmel side, which is for your long wear gripping, which I think maybe did, if I had to be really particular, a little bit better. But other than that, I think they both performed pretty well. And let me zoom you out so you can see my whole face. So I loved absolutely everything in this palette. When I was swatching, this was the shade I wasn't impressed with, swatching it. However, don't let that mean it's bad, because I haven't actually used it on my eyelid yet. But that was really the one that I was a bit skeptical about. Even the this one here that I did use did not swatch amazingly, but it's performed amazingly. So that's a good sign. Overall, very, very happy with this palette. I don't think there's much I want to criticize, to be honest with you. I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of the 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I used 6 of the 10 shades, which is pretty good. It's a 60%. But I would love to continue playing with it. Obviously, this is a first impression, but I'm very, very, very happy with it. You know, like, you do have to consider this is their first product, and I'm very, very happy with it. So it's a nice little size too. Love the color story. Price point is pretty on point with indie brands, so there's nothing unusual about that. And I love the way that this all turned out. It was all actually quite very easy to do. I can be a little bit particular sometimes with blending, but overall, I'm very happy with this look. Like, I think it just looks so beautiful. Oh, let's not look at the mirror. I think there's a lot of options here to play with in terms of color story. So overall, I'm very, very, very happy. I do recommend this product, and definitely check them out. I think it's a great little brand. I think they've got a lot to offer. And yeah, I'll have everything linked down below. Subscribe if you like this and you like Australian content. If you don't like Australian content, that's also fine, because I do other things as well. And like this video if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.